Welcome back to the Storyteller's Compass. Today, we dive into a wild ride with Bret Maverick and his quirky companion, Fatima the Camel. Bret's poker game takes an unexpected turn. He thinks he's won a prized Arabian horse. But surprise! It's a camel from a strange army experiment. Fatima becomes both a weight and a wonder in Bret's adventure. He navigates a crooked gambling hall, a scheming mayor, and an old flame embroiled in chaos. This episode perfectly blends frontier con artistry with playful charm. James Garner's performance captures Bret's cleverness and exasperation. He dances through the absurdity with grace. The pacing is brisk, filled with sharp dialogue and rich Western atmosphere. Plus, it's not just a Western, it's a quirky comedy dressed in cowboy boots. Yet, despite its charm, the plot feels a bit thin. Fatima steals the show, but the villain lacks depth, and the romance seems like mere filler. The camel adds charm, pushing the story towards farce. This shift may not sit well with every Western purist. Still, Relic of Fort Tejon remains a fan favorite for breaking tradition. It shows Maverick's willingness to mix history, humor, and heart. The episode cleverly nods to the Army's Camel Corps, adding surprising depth. So, what can we take away from Bret and Fatima? Sometimes, unexpected burdens can become our greatest assets. With patience, humor, and grit, we can achieve more than we ever thought possible, even if it's on a camel. If you enjoyed this ride, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. Join us next time for more storytelling adventures.